Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure PocketGuard Insights workflow for quick spending decisions, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by opening the PocketGuard app on your device. Log into your account if you haven't already. Navigate to the Insights section from the main dashboard. Here, you'll see various features that help you analyze your spending. Click on spending categories to view how your expenses are divided. Take a moment to review your current spending habits. Identify any areas where you may want to adjust your budget. Now, return to the Insights menu to set up your workflow. Select the Quick Spending Decisions option. You'll find a prompt to customize your alerts. Choose the categories where you want to receive notifications. Set your spending thresholds for these categories. For instance, you may want an alert if you spend over a certain amount in dining or entertainment. Once you've customized your alerts, save the changes. Ensure that notifications are enabled on your device. This will help you receive real-time updates. Next, look at the Trends section. This will provide you with a visual representation of your spending over time. Analyze these trends to identify patterns in your spending behavior. Based on your insights, adjust your budget as necessary. You might consider reallocating funds to categories where you overspend. Finally, make it a habit to check your insights regularly. This will empower you to make informed spending decisions quickly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.